Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial we will learn a very easy scrunchie. Fabric required is 29 by 6.5 inches and centimeter also written on the screen at the starting, you can check. And I need this 7-inch elastic, centimeter also written on the screen. So just cut this elastic as well. And fabric you can use silk or cotton. Here I'm using the cotton. So first you need to stitch it from this side, and after stitching just turn your fabric something like this way, and now hold from one layer. Before that, just take some pins and hold this upper layer and just pin up it like this way, and now the other layer of the fabric and pin up like this, and attach 3-4 pins, and then we will start stitching. Guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorial. So here we will leave only 2 inches, and all other we will just stitch by pulling our fabric and keep stitching. Just leave 2 inches open for the elastic. So if you are beginner, you can check my playlist. I have a complete course for beginners. So now it's at this stage it's better if you press or iron this piece, and now we will insert our elastic by the help of a safety pin, and make sure that you hold one edge tightly, so that it will not come inside, obviously. So after that you have two options. You can just tie the edges, or otherwise if you want more neat result, just wrap a piece of fabric around this way and then just stitch. And then after stitching, make sure you stitch 2-3 times so that it will fix. Now for this opening, you can stitch it by machine, or you can stitch it by hand using a leather stitch or invisible hem. So see, that's how I'm just stitching it. So guys, if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give your feedback. This tutorial is for absolute beginner, and it's a perfect project even for young kids to do in their vacations. And if you want more easy tutorial, please let me know what next you want to learn. And thank you for your feedback. Hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming tutorials. I have another tutorial on my playlist. You can check for this scrunchies, 2 different ways of making scrunchies. So you can also check in my playlist if you want some more ways of making the scrunchies. And if you want to learn very easy styles of turban headbands, or twisted headbands, or simple headbands, I have all these tutorials on my channel, a very easy step-by-step instructions. So see, here it's done. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this. Take care. Bye bye.